Okay, so mosquitoes will go inside and they will subjected to voltage and they will die. Okay, so this is the advantage of this device. Okay, so you can see here the working of this product. So let us try to see the unboxing and the installation of this product. So after installation, just you can hang to a small nail, and you see here this is provided with an type C port. This is the type C port, and this type C port directly you can insert here. Okay, and you just hang it to an wall. See here, I am going to turn on the charger. As soon as I turn on the charger, it will be indicating an indicator as red color, which says that now the device is in on condition. How to turn on it is provided with a small chrome colored, gold colored switch. Just press it. It produces sound and automatically now the device is on. Whenever the device is on, you can see here this is the physical look of the device. So in order to make you the things more clear, I am showing whether it is portable or not. The length of this device is 30 centimeters and the total width of this product is 26 centimeter, and it is designed with an ultraviolet blue color light. So you can see that blue color light filaments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 1400 volts. As soon as the mosquito goes here, you can see here it will die. Okay, so mosquitoes will go inside and they will subjected to voltage and they will die. Okay, so this is the advantage of this device. Okay, so you can see here the working of this product. So it is excellently working. Okay, so I am short circuiting and you can see here perfectly it is working. So it can kill what are the mosquitoes. Actually internal is an negative layer, above is an positive layer. Mosquito will go inside and that is positive, negative. Mosquito will act like an short circuit. So now this also I am short circuiting positive and negative. That's why the mosquitoes will room of 1000 square feet. So those who have the allergy of inhaling all out and good night, this is a very good product. So and it also comes with warranty of 1 year. And if you want to buy this product, it is available for a cost of 550. I will leave you in the link. And if you want to purchase from Gudur, currently it is available at Kishore Electricals at Gudur. So hope this product is very useful to you. So keep on watching more innovative products in my channel. So try to give your support with a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.